Welcome to Taste of Veggie. Today we will be making easy, mouth-watering mushroom barbecue melt. It is cheesy, smoky and irresistible. Let's go make. So we have this everything ciabatta roll from Trader Joe's. These are the shiitake mushrooms sliced. This is in the frozen section of the Trader Joe's. I'm going to use half of this bag today. For half the bag, I have quarter onion sliced. For spiciness, we are going to add this crunchy chili onion, about half a tablespoon. And for the barbecue flavor, we are using this barbecue sauce from Trader Joe's. To toast the ciabatta bread, we need a little bit butter. And for the cheese, I'm going to use pepper jack and mozzarella, but you can use any cheese of your preference. Let's make it. Start our timer. Let's turn on our stove to medium low. I'm going to add a little bit butter. Now add the sliced onions and saute them well. Add a little bit salt that's required for the onions. Now the onions are sauteed to golden brown. It took me about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding the sliced mushroom. I'm adding about half a bag of these mushrooms. We want these mushrooms to be golden crispy consistency. It'll take us about 5 to 6 minutes. Now all the water from the mushroom is evaporated and they became golden brown. Now I'm going to add this crunchy chili onion oil along with this chilies, about half a tablespoon. A bit of the oil. It's about 12 minutes in the timer. Now I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. I have added about 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. If you like more barbecue sauce, you can add more. Keep mixing it until the mushrooms absorb the barbecue sauce. I cooked the mushroom and the sauce for a minute and a half. Now I am going to remove the mushroom from the pan. Our mushroom is ready. Let's toast the bread. I just rinsed the pan, heated the pan. Now coat the pan with a little bit butter. Slice the ciabatta and toast them. Add a little more butter to the top, so when you flip them, you will have butter on this side too. Now flip the bread. Add the cheese at the bottom. I'm adding pepper jack on one side and a little bit of mozzarella on the other. And I'm going to add the mushrooms here. Cover it with the lid so the cheese melts. Let's open and see if the cheese is melted thoroughly. Yes. It's about 24 minutes. I'm going to pause the clock. Our barbecue mushroom cheese melt is ready. Wow, such a toasty bread. For half a bag of mushrooms that we added, I got 2 barbecue mushrooms. If you are someone who loves the smoky barbecue taste, you can add more sauce. It will make it much more juicier. And if you want to make it as a sandwich, you can add lettuce and tomatoes to it. Let's give it a taste. First, the crunchiness comes from the ciabatta bread. The mushrooms are juicy and crispy. The barbecue sauce adds a really good smoky, sweet flavor. The red chili paste that we added along with the oil, that hits a little bit of that spicy coming from that, and the cheese brings everything together. So if you are craving for something cheesy, smoky for a weeknight meal or a quick fix, this is it. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to share, subscribe for quick and easy vegetarian recipes. Thank you.